Join me as I challenge myself to find the best ways to wake up to real passive income by 2025. Passive income is a concept that has been around for a while, but it's more attainable in 2025 than ever before. With the rise of digital platforms and online marketplaces, it's become easier for people to earn money without actively working for it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more similar content. You can also on your notification to know when new video shows up. Now let's start. People often think that passive income is only for the wealthy or those who have a lot of experience in investing. Many believe it's a myth that it doesn't really exist. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is that anyone can generate passive income with the right mindset and strategy. Another misconception about passive income is that it requires a lot of upfront work. While it's true that some effort is required to set up a passive income stream, it's not as much as people think. For example, creating and selling an online course can take some time and effort, but once it's created, it can sell itself. Generating passive income can be challenging, especially for those who are new to it. One of the biggest challenges is getting started. Many people don't know where to begin or what opportunities are available to them. This can lead to frustration and disappointment. There are many methods to generate passive income, such as investing in real estate or dividend-paying stocks. These methods can provide a steady stream of income without requiring a lot of active work. Digital products such as ebooks and online courses are another great way to earn passive income. Real estate investing can be a bit more complicated, but it can also be very lucrative. By investing in rental properties, you can earn passive income through rent payments. Investments in stocks and bonds can also provide a steady stream of passive income. Creating and selling digital products can be a great way to earn passive income. Once you've created a product, you can sell it over and over again without having to do much work. This can be very profitable, especially if you have a popular product. Investing in a high-yield savings account is another simple way to generate passive income. While the returns may not be as high as other investments, it's a low-risk option that can still provide some passive income. A unique strategy that has proven successful for many people is to create an online business that sells digital products. For example, you could create an online course teaching a skill or a software that solves a problem. This can provide a steady stream of passive income. This strategy has worked for many people because it allows them to monetize their expertise and skills. By creating a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without having to do much work. This can be very profitable, especially if you have a popular product. Another example of a successful passive income strategy is investing in index funds. This involves investing in a fund that tracks a specific stock market index, such as the S&P 500. This can provide a steady stream of passive income without requiring a lot of work. By following these strategies, you can wake up to real passive income in 2025. The key is to be consistent and patient, and to keep learning and growing. To recap, generating passive income is more attainable in 2025 than ever before. By exploring different methods such as real estate, investments, and digital products, you can create a steady stream of income without actively working for it. If you've had any experience with generating passive income, please share it with us in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our next video where we'll be discussing more financial strategies to help you achieve your goals.